Hello, my name's Ian. Welcome back to the Grow Zone. This is the assembly video for our Urban Grow 9090 grow tent. This is 90 centimeters by 90 centimeters and it's 180 centimeters tall. In the box you will get a set of poles like this. They are marked A and B and C, and two top sections which make a cross at the top for hanging, and these are the corner pieces. We'll start by assembling the bottom square using the A pieces. We'll click them in like so, and it will end up looking like this. This is going to be our bottom section, and as you can see there's little feet on the bottom of the corner pieces, so you know that's what's going to touch the ground. We'll move all the rest of our poles out of the way and we'll get our uprights in place. Okay, so we've got our bottom frame roughly in place on our board here. It's time to get our uprights in place. We'll start with our B sections and press the little button, give them a little wiggle till it clicks, and we'll go around all the corners and do that. It will look like this. Ta-da! We are moving on up. We've got our next sections here, and same thing again. We're just going to press the little button down, get him to click, and now we're at our full height, 180 centimeters. Okay, so it's time to build our top frame and then we're nearly ready for the cover. I'm going to get our corner pieces and click the button down, get it to snap in, and it will look like this. Okay, so now we have our frame assembled. You should be able to move it around freely, and you're going to need a bit of space for this next part. We're going to get the cover out and get it in position, and we'll show you how to get it on step by step. Okay, so you will receive two bits of fabric. One of them is the floor, which goes in last, and one of them is the main cover of the tent. And we'll show you how to put this on step by step. Okay, like I said before, you're going to need to make sure you have a little bit of space for this. We've got our frame in a good position. I'm going to roll this out. You need to make sure you have the bottom of this cover. One way to see that is you're going to look for the window, which is ventilated, and this is the bottom of the tent, and this piece here is going to make up the floor, and it's going to go underneath the frame. Let's get that done and then we'll show you the next step. Okay, so we have our frame, our floor, sorry, underneath our frame, and we're just going to very carefully pull this last corner in. And it's going to be quite tight, so go carefully not to rip it. Next step, we're going to get our top piece on, or our roof of our tent. This is the door, so we're going to pull this piece to one side. This is possible to do on your own, I hope. You'll soon find out. And this is our top section, or our roof. And we're going to pull this piece right over the top and gently find our corners and get them seated in position. Like that. As you saw, it is possible to do it on your own, but if you have a friend, get them involved. It's going to be a lot easier. We need to turn this tent around now. As you saw, I ended up inside the tent, and there's plenty of openings in these guys. I'm going to turn this tent around and you'll see for yourself. Let's go piece by piece. And there's our Urban Grow 9090 180 in the full open position. Okay, I'll zip this up now all the way around. Nice big chunky zips at the top here. And then we're going to get our floor piece in. I'm going to turn it one more time so we have our door at the front. Then we'll get our floor in. Clip at the side here to hold your door back. Too easy. We're going to get our flooring in a little while. We've got our top sections to come in. One of them has a big loop that goes in first, over one edge. And the other piece has a smaller loop which goes on top of that other pole. Making a cross in the centre like that. Lots of hanging options and nice and strong. Last section to go in is our floor. It creates a little basin, good for catching water if there are any spillages, and simple tie downs for each corner. I'm going to tie all those on and we'll show you what it's like when it's fitted. Okay, great, the floor's in, tied down to the corner pieces. And like I said before, it creates a little basin by going up the sides. So if there are any spillages, you're going to keep your water in the one place. And that's that. So this is it. Urban Grow 1990 tent. Check it out on our website, all the details below. Keep on growing. We'll see you in the next one.